Egypt's financial system remained stable in early 2025, supported by a strong banking sector, higher foreign reserves, and improved investor confidence. The Central Bank of Egypt reported that the Financial Stability Index rose to 0.48, with net international reserves reaching $47.8 billion, covering over 6 months of imports. Non-performing loans fell to 2.2%, while banks' capital adequacy and liquidity ratios remained well above regulatory minimums. The profitability improved, with return on assets at 2.6% and return on equity at 39%. Foreign holdings of local treasury bills rose to 44.7%, and the EGX 30 index was up 19.5% year-on-year. Stress tests confirmed the system's resilience, and financial inclusion reached 74.5% of adults. Egypt has issued its first local currency sovereign sukuk, raising 3 billion Egyptian pounds to diversify funding and reduce borrowing costs. The 3-year sukuk, structured under the Sharia-compliant lease model, was 5 times oversubscribed and priced at an average yield of 21.56%, lower than comparable conventional bonds. 16 conventional banks and 4 Islamic banks participated. The issuance, the first under Egypt's £200 billion domestic sukuk program, benefits from the same tax and accounting treatment as treasury bonds. As part of ongoing economic reforms since March 2024, Egypt's growth rate reached 4.4% in 2024-2025, driven by the industrial, tourism, communications, and IT sectors. A cap on public investment strengthened private sector participation, with private investment hitting a 5-year high, accounting for 47% of total investments. These reforms also improved Egypt's global trade and business index ranking, moving up to 60th in 2025 from the 63rd in 2024. Egypt's Petroleum Ministry has launched a new international tender for 4 Red Sea exploration blocks, aiming to attract foreign investment and boost energy output. Announced by Minister Karim Badawi in 2025, the bid uses a profitability-based production sharing model, offering more flexible terms for global energy firms. ExxonMobil will expand its natural gas exploration in the Egyptian Mediterranean, investing in a new concession west of the Zohr field near Cyprus. The move, formalized in a memorandum of understanding with EGAS and ADIPEC 2025, increases ExxonMobil's offshore operating areas in Egypt to 4. The expansion aligns with Egypt's petroleum strategy to boost production, intensify exploration, and attract foreign investment, while strengthening the country's infrastructure as a regional gas hub. Plans also include new exploratory wells in the Misri and Cairo areas and accelerated development of the Nefertari 1 discovery in the North Maraya offshore concession. Egypt's Petroleum Minister Karim Badawi has met with OPEC Secretary General Haytham Al-Ghais at ADIPEC 2025 to discuss deepening strategic cooperation. The meeting highlighted market stability, technical collaboration, and the exchange of energy sector insights to boost Egypt's production. Badawi emphasized Egypt's readiness to play a more active observer role in OPEC and invited Al-Ghais to deliver a keynote at EGPAS 2026.